Hello, this is Cedric, and today I'm going to talk about Film Affinity USA. What it is a website that started in 2002, shows up upcoming movies and TV shows in the United States and UK. And it also shows movies and TV show trailers, rate movies and TV shows. I'm going to show you guys, this is the website link to go to the website. Open from here. While it's waiting to open, okay, go straight to the website. It'll tell you what's coming up to shows, rate the movies, see what's good or not, based on the genre. Okay. Save and exit. Okay. They have different movies. It's almost like an IMDb. They tell you the movies, like the Mystery of Time TV series, what years, so rate production, the original name of it, the country is in, who's the director, screenwriter, musicians, cinematography, producer. They have all releases. And tell you the top films and awards they have. You can contact them mostly by email. You can also suggest a movie, edit movie information, add or improve movie synopsis, other inquiries. It's free. You can just view it. You don't have to sign up. You can sign up if you desire. And they say, okay, let's say you wanted to know a show. Some shows they don't know. Okay, let's say Free Guy. Okay, you see the trailer for it right here on the website. And you can also go online to see it on Netflix when it comes out, or the movie seat. Also, you can go on Sflix. Sflix shows the movie for free. Just don't download it because it's not required you need to. Because they said their VPN is not very good at it yet. So, not what I meant, but what I mean is just watch the movie on. It's mostly only you can watch on the laptop, PC. Those are best ways to view it. And you can go to Flix HQ. That's another movie website. You can watch it for free. You can watch, and they also give it a description of the movie, what it's about, and then determine if you guys want to watch it. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video with everyone so they know about Film Affinity. It's like IMDb, Internet Movie Database, to show like what type of movies and TV shows are coming out in the next few months or next year as a projected, and any changes they'll update on the website. And I hope to see you guys again next time. Goodbye.